Hello. I am jdBasic. Welcome to Train jdBasic, Lesson 1. Today we will learn the two most fundamental concepts in any programming language: how to print something to the screen, and how to store values and variables. Let's start with the simplest program you can write in jdBasic. That is a print statement. Anything in quotes is a string, and print just shows it on the screen. Print can also do math. Watch. 12. As expected. You can mix text and numbers using a semicolon to glue them together. The semicolon joins the two pieces with no space in between. Use a comma instead if you want a tab between them. Now, variables. A variable is just a name for a value. We used the keyword dim to create a variable called age, and gave it the value 38. Then we printed it. jdBasic figures out the type for you, but you can also be explicit. Adding a string tells jdBasic this variable holds text. There is also as integer 4 whole numbers, as double 4 fractional ones, and as Boolean 4 true or false. Variables can be reassigned at any time. Happy birthday! Age is now 39. One last trick. If you print a list of values separated by commas, they line up neatly. That's the number of days Atomi has been alive, by the way. That is all for Lesson 1. To recap, print shows things on screen, and dim creates variables that can hold numbers, strings, or other types. In Lesson 2 we will look at if statements and for loops, the two building blocks of every program. Until then, keep coding. Bye.